Client result, something that as coaches we are always super excited for. Today I'm gonna show some important takeaways on recent wins on my client Dipti, and I'm gonna show you some deeper stuff too, like about the belief that as coaches our job is not just job to show the strategy, but to giving them the belief as well, and how you can do that, and how we got this big result in less than 7 days, over 13,600 USD collected in less than 7 days, and for someone jumping brand into your offer. So imagine the power of that. My name is Paras. I live in Vancouver, British Columbia. I came to this country, Canada, 5.5 years ago. From last 2 years, I'm building my high ticket affiliate coaching business, done a lot of odd jobs, security, uh, jobs on knocking doors, cashier, all that stuff. And this is something I love, deeply love, because of this big reason, client results. It's not just about you making money, and but you transforming other people's life as well. So let's get started. The top thing I want to talk about today is that belief. I will show you some example of it. So this is my client Dipti sent me, and we have this in-one mentorship. We have one-on-one connection on the Voxer. So they can message me, my private clients, one-on-one mentorship client, they can message me anytime, because the support I want to give them the best. It's not like they are some kind of group, they have to ask a question, they get received the answer in 24 hours. They get the answer right then, right away. So this is something that my client Dipti sent me when she was talking to a prospect. I can do max $1,500 to start, and do $1,500 in 60 days and $1,500 do 2 months after that, based on results cash collected. Please see if you workable for you, Dipti. We can meet, discuss, and start tomorrow. Even if you see these numbers, if you're a beginner, you might say, okay, $1,500 good money to start, right? But you need to value your offer really high, and especially if you're working with clients who are taking action, who you need to give them the belief that you never downsell. So when she sent me this message, I'm like, end of the day, it's your call, it's your business, but make sure that you keep the value of the offer super high. So she replied to this person who was trying to downsell the offer. She was trying to get the offer at the bargain, like, it's all good. If the budget is not right now, we can talk when the time is right. This gives so much intense power if you're a coach in your hands, that this person doesn't care about money. This person doesn't care about money. He has his own standards, and people like to work with people who have high standards, who have these high values around their offer, around their life. So when she replied that, and she like, okay, we can't work right now, in 3 hours the customer make the payment. Imagine the power of that. So never ever downsell your offer. You, before telling other person power of your offer, value of your offer, you need to have 100% clarity what kind of life it can transform for the other person. So that is the key. It's not about, you're selling something crazy, you're selling something of $15,000 and all that stuff. It's all about value. It's all about what can this offer do for my clients. For me, I help people make $20,000 a month in their coaching business, and without sales call. Value of this offer is so big in my hand that I will never downsell ever. Even if some month comes up that I may have 0 clients, that's fine, but I will never downsell the offer, because the value of that offer is so high in my mind, because what it can do for the other person. Imagine, for example, Deepti, we would say, she has 2 children. She now can close without sales call. Otherwise, she had to be on sales call 5 hours a day. Now she has time to spend time with her children. Tell me this, if I tell Deepti, return me the investment, but you have to do the sales call again. I can even ask Deepti $100,000 and she would choose, I would want to spend time with the children, because money can be made, but more time can't be bought. So we are giving them the most scarce resource on the planet them away. So think in this perspective, not in the ways of money, this much money. And so time is more valuable. We are giving them the time back. So I see this offer in that way. So next, closing 13,600 without sales call. That's a big win. And especially for a new person in the offer, if you can have this kind of win, that is super good. And proud of you, Dipti, that you did this big work and starting off and we can do big things together now. Collecting MMR. On the top of that is not just one is the one-time payment, other is the MMR, monthly recurring revenue. So monthly revenue not have to start now. She can just be chill. We are not making decision on the scarce way. So imagine every single month someone comes to your business, then pays you $2,000, and it not make you relax that okay, I already made $2,000. Even if I don't need to downsell anything. I need to do. I'm chill. I don't have to downsell. I don't have to cold DM anything. It's all good. The relaxation it gives to your minds. We are working in this MMR concept for a long time now. Every single month we have more than $5,000 MMR logged in. So even if I work or don't work, I'm still making money in the beginning of the month every single month. So next, keep the stand and direct communicate with coach. So this was big one. Lot of people I have noticed that they don't direct communicate with the coach. Who wants better than you? Who want better than you? Dipti messaged me the second she got this message, and we can communicate. But imagine she didn't communicate with me directly. She had no way to communicate with me directly. She would have lost them. You might be lost this sale, right? Lost this helping the other person. So these little things makes a big difference, guys. When you are planning your coaching offer, when you are building your coaching offer, make sure to add some kind of highly close proximity way so they can freely connect with you. Not like they are just in the messenger and just talking to you. So it's totally different game. Messenger, you're talking to so many people. It doesn't matter which platform you use for your business, but your private client should have a personal space, so you can listen them clearly. You have a these are the person in the first priority of the day I need to check on. And the best part is, I'll fix this. Her community is as only a 300 member. Imagine the power. Lot of people having millions and millions of followers online, especially these days, and they still can't monetize the audience. But with 300 member, we already took out more than $13,000. So breaking the beliefs too that okay, this is possible. But when we do things in a right way, we pre-sell the audience. So for example, I will give you one example. And this happened, I will give you one, and this happened not downselling, this happened because now the person is at this point. We are showing them the offer. Now they still can go back. They have something tangible in hand. They can still go back and get nurtured again. And they have something in hand they can easily read. So imagine you gave someone a sales call and it's busy lives, right? They are busy. They even forget after 1 to 2 hours like what happened on the call. But if you have something tangible in hand, like a Google Doc, like a PDF, they can read that again. They can think over it again. And this is what happened in that case. A person came here, showed them the offer, said, I don't have the budget, fall back to this, consume the content again, deep connection with the audience, good to go. And that's what we followed. And I'm so excited. Like I want to give you guys real feedback, like what's happening with the client results, because that would give you belief, right? Like this system works and you can use this system for your business. You don't have to, you can collect to 10 to 20K MMR, like profit, right? Clear calendar, spend time with the children, travel, build assets on the way, highly leveraged, no team needed, no overhead cost at all. And especially this thing, we are at about like 820 members, right? Dipti is at 300 members. We can still monetize it so big. So think about the power of this. So these are some of the results I want to share with you. I want to keep a real time, so you might see a lot more coming here on the YouTube now. So keep here if you want more in real time, update on the results, what's happening in the business. Subscribe and like, and please share with the people you think you can get value from this. I appreciate you all. Thank you for spending time with us. If you want free trainings, we do weekly trainings, even a free private community. Feel free to be join this community. I will put link in the description below, and this is for you. Thank you so much guys for spending time with me. Have a great day. Bye bye.